Hi, and welcome to Speedy Publishing's e-commerce website. In this video, we're going to cover how to place an order. To begin, first head over to the Speedy Publishing website. Before placing your order, you must select a book. There are two simple ways to find books you are looking to purchase using our website and the search bar located at the top of the page. You can search by entering a keyword such as Grade 3 Math, or you can search by the ISBN 13 or ISBN 10 of the book. Or you can also search by simply entering the title of the book. Other ways to search for books include browsing by categories located in our secondary navigation. You can search by featured imprints, K-12 book categories, by adult nonfiction, by Speedy study guides, by adult romance, by planners and journals, and finally by books published by Speedy Publishing Canada Limited. In this example, let's search for a book using the title Geology for Kids. Once the book appears in the search results, click on it. You will be taken to the book's detail page. On the detail page, you can either choose the Add to Cart button or Buy Now button. If you select the Add to Cart button, you can continue to browse, searching and adding other books. When you are ready to check out, head to the top right-hand corner of the site to the shopping cart logo, mouse over the icon and select View My Cart to view or remove books previously added, or select Checkout to be taken to the checkout page. It's important to note that if you selected the Buy Now button, you would be taken directly to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you can choose to log in and check out or check out as a guest. You can also choose any of the express payment methods, which include Shop Pay, Google Pay, PayPal, and Amazon Pay. You can then enter and apply any discount codes that you may have, then enter your contact information and shipping details. It is important to note that your contact information and shipping details will be automatically populated if you are already logged in. Next, click on Continue to Shipping. Once on the shipping page, you will see your shipping cost displayed for the address you previously entered. Select the shipping method of your choice, then click on Continue to Payment. You will then be able to add your credit card information and billing address. You will also be able to choose an express pay option such as PayPal or Amazon Pay. When you have entered your payment information, click on Pay Now. Once your transaction has been processed successfully, you will be taken to the Order Details page, which will display your order number, your contact information, your shipping address, and your payment information. It is important to note that if you ordered as a guest, you should click on Get Shipping Updates by Email and enter an email address where you can be contacted. You'll then be able to track your order. Your order details will also be emailed to you, and you'll receive an SMS notification as well if you added your mobile contact number. When you have completed your order, you can go back to the website by clicking on Continue Shopping. To track your order, visit the My Account tab on the main navigation or use the Track Your Order page. To do that, click on Contact Us in the top navigation bar. Then click the Track Your Order link on the page. You will then be taken to the Order Tracking page. Enter your email address and order number and click on Find Order. Your order information will appear and you will be able to see the status of your order along with the carrier tracking number. This concludes the tutorial. Thanks for making it Speedy Publishing.